Installation guide for hydraulic logo stamping machine. This small hydraulic logo stamping machine is designed for stamping marks and logos onto gold, silver bars and more. Oil filler. Before using the machine for the first time, be sure to add hydraulic oil first. Add oil to the highest point of the oil level gauge. Connect the machine power cord 3-phase 5-wire system. Turn on the main switch. Ensure that the emergency stop button is turned off and then press the hydraulic start button. Pay attention to checking the rotation direction of the motor fan clockwise is the correct direction. Remember to adjust to the appropriate pressure before operation. Then place the die on the working area. Our dies are usually equipped with a die holder for easy operation. And put the bars into the die. Next, we will introduce the 3 operating modes of the machine: manual, semi-automatic, and foot switch operation. Manual. First, turn on the light curtain protection, set the operation mode to manual, and select hand control. Then press the jog up and down buttons to complete the stamping operation. Semi-automatic. Change the operation mode from manual to semi-auto, and press the 2 buttons in front of the machine simultaneously. Foot pedal. Set the operation mode to semi-auto and select foot pedal. When operating, if the die cannot reach the upper base plate of the machine, you can loosen the screw of this limit switch, move it down a certain distance, and then fix it with the screw again. If the die still cannot reach the upper plate of the machine after adjusting the limit switch, you can install a heat-treated and hardened spacer plate under the die to increase its height. Welcome to Inquiry with us.